Welcome everyone, welcome in class 10th Mathematics NCERT. Today we are doing chapter 6 triangles and we are solving question number 7 from exercise 6.4. So let's start. The question is prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So we are given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and AP and DQ are the medians. And we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals to AP square upon DQ square. Let's start the proof. We know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the two corresponding sides. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, so we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals to AB square upon DE square. It is also equal to BC square upon EF square. It is also equal to AC square upon DF square. But we are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is already given in the question. We'll write in the bracket given. And we also know if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So we can write AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. Since AP is the median, then this AP will divide BC into two equal parts. Similarly, DQ is the median, so that will also divide EF into two equal parts. Now, in place of BC, we can write 2 times BP, and in place of EF, we can write 2 times EQ. This also can be written as BP upon EQ. Now see the first ratio AB upon DE and the last ratio, which is BP upon EQ. They both are equal. It means the ratio of AB upon DE is equal to the ratio of BP upon EQ. Now we are writing AB upon DE equals to BP upon EQ. This we have proved just now. Now we are talking about triangle ABP and triangle DEQ. In these two shaded triangles, angle B is equal to angle E. We can write angle B equals to angle E. Why they are equal? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So corresponding angles in similar triangles are equal. We can write corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. And we are given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now by the conditions AB upon DE equals to BP upon EQ and angle B equals to angle E, we can say triangle ABP is similar to triangle DEQ. These two triangles are similar by SAS similarity criteria. Since the triangles are similar, so the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. So we can write AB upon DE equals to AP upon DQ. And what's the reason? The reason is the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. We also know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals to AB square upon DE square. And we have just proved that AB upon DE equals to AP upon DQ. So in place of AB square we can write AP square, and in place of DE square we can write DQ square. And that's what we have to prove. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals to AP square upon DQ square. Thank you for watching and learning.